Good evening. We are going to install the OBS MIDI plugin today on Ubuntu Linux. So we just go to obs-midi.org, click Downloads, click here on OBS MIDI Releases page. Make sure that you are on the latest release and go down here to the different assets. We want OBS-MIDI, a version number, AMD64.deb. We'll click that and it will download. Doobadoo, it has downloaded. Then we will open up our terminal and sudo apt install /downloads with a capital D, and then OBS MIDI. Just type in O and hit tab if you don't have anything in there. If you have other files in there, tab completion will give you a list of options, but just type in OBS-MIDI and hit tab. When you go to install it, it will automatically install OBS Studio if you do not already have it installed. Then we can just simply run OBS, and bam! Here is OBS, fresh install, and here's the OBS MIDI settings. You can click your device, hit enabled, go into here, and you can listen for events, set what you want them to do, and there you go. Have a great day.